Hey Dan, it's a nasty hiccup problem you got there, man.
Yeah, I've had these for days, and they won't go away.
And I know how to solve it!
Please tell me soon before I go insane.
I can help,
Paul, nobody asked for you to help.
but I'm cold. I'm lonely. Please let me help.
Well, I guess you could help only if you wear this silly hat.
Yay for silly hats.
Cool. Let's go!
Okay, this'll totally work, but you gotta do a handstand.
I've never done one before.
Don't worry, I got your back.
You mean my feet, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Okay. I hope this works.
Okay.
Now don't drop me.
I can't hold on to you anymore.
Whoa, Dan, are you okay?
I still have the hiccups and the headache.
Well, Alright man, we're gonna try this one more time. How about you eat this ketchup? Did it work?
Nope.
Well, here, try to eat this sugar. Did it work?
Well, that didn't work.
Okay, plan B here. Smell this. Did it work?
Nope.
Well, alright. Final thing here. Do this.
Did it work?
Are you okay?
Well, nothing works. I'm done. I'm done. Alright Dan, I got it. All you gotta do is drink a whole bunch of water. That's all you gotta do is just drink a whole bunch of water.
Here you go, man. I hope it works.
Me too.
Well, did it work?
Oh, I'm gonna scare him so good! I'm gonna scare him so good!
Wow, that was a riveting story. God, I need to make a movie about this. I mean, it had thrills and highs and lows. You gotta tell me again.
Well, I personally like the story as well. So, I'll
Boom!
Well, looks like we finally got rid of Dan's hiccups. He's cured.
Let's eat popsicles!
What do you want on your tombstone?
cheese!
Cheese? No problem.